back to my channel. So today I created this really fun, pretty, flirty, cranberry smoky eye look. So it's definitely much more of your daytime glam. You can absolutely amp it up if you want to use it for more of a nighttime going out kind of look. But I want to keep it a little bit more on the simple side, but still using a good majority of the shadows in this palette. Today I'm going to be utilizing this Dose of Colors DesxKaty Friendcation palette. As you can see, absolutely gorgeous. There's so many fun shimmer shades in here, so there's definitely some more looks that I'm going to be creating with this palette. But this is look number 1. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, then please just keep on watching. Let me pause mine. Ooh. Hello to all my lovely people. Welcome back. I'm excited to be sitting down filming. As you can see, we're filming bold today, you know, red, boom, boom, pow. I'm just kidding. So I've already, as you can see, done my brows and I already primed my eyes because it's the same dealy schmilly every single time. So I just primed it with my Tarte Shape Tape and set it with my Laura Mercier setting powder, so that way we can just go ahead and get into the good stuff. So today is going to be more focused on my eyes rather than the rest of my face because you guys already know my routine for that. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with this first shade right here. This is Necessary because, you know, it's necessary to have a nice transition color. So it's like a neutral toned, like cappuccino color, you know what I mean? Like a light brown, not warm tone, but just like a neutral brown. And I'm just gonna get a little bit of that onto my Morphe M441 brush, and I'm just gonna start hitting and building this crease up. So I'm kind of starting more so on the outer portion of my eyelid and then bringing it in. As I have less product on my brush, I'm going to be flicking it out, like I said, because I want to have a stronger outer V situation. So I'm just very lightly sweeping that up into my brow. Once I have that transition shade built up kind of to the depth of what I would like, I'm going to go ahead and grab this shade right here. This shade right here is called Juro. Go ahead and grab this Morphe R37 brush and pick up Juro and just kind of hit that right below where I put Necessary. And I'm literally just like taking like a dot, like you see that, like the teensiest amount. Like I said, I'm just gonna go right below where I put that first shade. Next step, I'm going to go ahead and take my Makeup Shack T72, which is like a flat concealer brush, and I am going to go ahead and pick up this gorgeous cranberry shade right here, which is, ooh, Try Me. Try me, honey. Try me, honey. I'm just kidding. Try Me. Depending on your sass level, it could just be like, you know, try me, or try me, bitch. That's how I'm feeling right now. If you can't tell. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take that right there. I'm gonna take my Morphe setting spray, and I'm just gonna, you know, give it a little spritz and pack it on. And then just use your finger. So I'm just gonna take my finger and press that over majority of the 2/3 of my eye, and then I'm gonna use my brush to get more so in those hard to reach places. And then just get really nice and tight up into that crease area. I'm gonna take this Mikasa E320 brush. It's just like a flat tapered, it's more like a flat domed blending brush. Go ahead and take this shade right here. This is, ooh, girl bye. Girl Bye. I'm gonna go ahead and take this brush. I'm gonna go ahead and use that shade to connect that outer V with that shimmer shade and to just bring a little bit more, you know, a little bit more life. Right. So I'm just like literally like patting and flicking. Patting and flicking. I'm gonna go in with this angled eyeshadow brush, and then I'm gonna take this deep brown shade right here, which is Cheens. The shade right here is Cheens, like a nice fudgy brown, and I'm gonna use that as kind of like my liner today because I don't want to do black liner. I just want to keep it simple, and I'm not gonna even go all the way in towards my eye. I'm gonna kind of start towards the center where my pupil is and then wing it out. So I'm just gonna really like take it and like wiggle it. You're gonna see me like press and wiggle just to make sure that I'm kind of packing that color really nice and close to my lash line. Now if you want this to be even more of a clean line, you can wet your brush and then it'll really turn that eyeshadow into like a liner. Now that I kind of got my overall shape and everything done, I'm gonna go ahead and make a makeup wipe, and I'm gonna let like this straight edge do the work for me. And I'm just gonna take it and just kind of like press it and then go up. Get as close to the edge of my wing as possible. So that way when I drag it down, I'm gonna drag my wing down and I'm gonna connect it to my lower lash. I'm gonna go ahead and take this Marc Jacobs highliner, and I think this is Quake, right? Yeah, Earthquake, sorry. Earthquake, it's just this brown eyeliner, and I'm gonna line my waterline with that shade before I put on mascara and throw on some falsies. Alright, so I went ahead and finished off the majority of my face. I did my foundation, concealer, started baking a little bit of cream contour just to help like bronzen up my face before I go in with the rest of my powders. So now let's go ahead and finish off this under eye together. So I'm gonna grab my Morphe M411 brush, and I'm just gonna start to smoke that underneath my lash line. This one is going to be the one that's dragged down the furthest. So this is going to be like very blown out. Morphe M514 is just a very, very small tapered blending brush, and I'm going to go into, I think is it Girl Bye? Into Girl Bye, which is that really pretty rosy mauve pink. And also smoke that just slightly above where churro is at. Just once again to add some color, some life into that lower lash line area. I'm going to go in with this flat, eyeshadow brush right here, and I'm gonna pick up Cheens, which is that deepest brown shade, and I'm gonna just use that on my outer portion just to kind of like connect it up into where that wing is. So I'm not bringing it all the way in, I'm literally just gonna keep it on the outer third of my lower lash line, which is right here. Smudging it up. Have that nice smoked out. I'm actually gonna go ahead and go in with a nude liner. This is just some drugstore one. This is Essence. Really cute little drugstore brand that's cruelty free. It's really hard to find cruelty free drugstore brands, so that's like my next challenge for this next year, is kind of trying to expand my horizons and find some new drugstore cruelty free brands. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take that into my lower lash line. I am lining my lips with this NYX lip pencil and Nude Truffle. It's my favorite. Take like my chapstick, so I take my Burt's Bees best flavor in the world, cucumber mint, okay, get on. And then I like to just moisturize my lips, and it also turns the lip liner more creamy. So So that way you can spread it around your lips a little bit more. It's kind of like the cheating way of filling in the rest of your lips with that lip liner without having to really do the work, but still leave the center like virtually untouched. And keep your lips hydrated. Now we're gonna go in with these bad boy. Look at this, it's so pretty. This is the Over the Top gloss. It's a really, really pretty gold flecked infused clear lip gloss. It's so beautiful. I've already been using it. It's freaking incredible. So we're gonna go ahead. Oh god, okay. I mean, technically I know it's gold and I'm wearing cranberry in my eyes, but you know, let me live my life. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed following me along for this tutorial. It was honestly so much fun to create and it was so easy to do. Like, honest to god, it only took me like 20 minutes tops to do the eyeshadow, which I think is awesome if you're doing a full-blown out eyeshadow look with more than 3 shades, you know what I mean? I love how all the eyeshadows are so easy to use and that you get a kind of a different depth depending on what kind of blending brush you use. If you use a more dense brush, you'll get a little bit more of a stronger color payoff, or you can have a very nice wash of color if you use a very, very soft blending brush. So if you just wanted to sweep one shade or one shadow over your entire eye, I'm sure you could do that and be out the door good to go. But I hope that you guys all loved it. It was so much fun sitting down and filming with you guys, and I can't wait to create some more looks using this palette. I definitely do want to use that really, really cool blue, that really, really cool royal blue shade. It is calling my name as well, but I've seen a lot of looks with people using that blue eyeshadow, so I kind of wanted to do something different as well as match my outfit a little bit more. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope to catch you guys in my next one. Bye!